everybody, happy Friday night. I am back with another video because I'm going to do my BoxyCharm Premium, first ever Premium, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And BoxyCharm confuses the heck out of me with these things because we got Luxe this month. So I think what happened with this month is regular is $25 for BoxyCharm a month. Then if you want premium, it's another $35. And I think you get both boxes. But then on the Luxe quarter, you get another charge and then you get the Luxe. I don't know. I got to figure it out because I have no idea what's going on with BoxyCharm. All I know is I got a cool box this month. I've never tried the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna before, so I'm kind of excited. I love the packaging, by the way. It's just this really kind of nice, black and white, edgy packaging. So the first thing I have here is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. And I've seen this on Instagram, and I think this thing is, like, really right. This is, like, the most expensive thing in the box, too. This is a $36 value. All of her stuff is cruelty-free, and very pretty packaging. Let me just see this. Oh, wow, that is really pretty. So we got a mirror in this. So it is a nice compact, but look at the... I'm like, what do I do with this, though? That's kind of pretty, though. Let me see. Holy moly, this is gold. Look at this. I mean, I would wear this as an eyeshadow. Look at that, how pretty this is. So, I don't know. I want to play around with this. I like it, though. I like sparkly things. So, I'm all about this. I don't know if I can put it right up. Just put it right up here. It's going to sparkle a little. Next up, we have the Invisimatte. These are like beauty papers. I don't know what these are. Shimmer, okay, blotting paper, $16. So it's this cute little, oh wow, how cute. I gotta figure this out. Look at how cute this is. So this is ultra portable blotting paper, so that you could lift away shine. So it's basically for lipstick. Remember a long time ago, at least I did, you'd use like a Kleenex? So now we have fancy blotting paper. We used to use Kleenex and toilet paper, which we don't have now. So now we got the blotting paper. That was terrible. What's up with the toilet paper? I still can't believe there's a toilet paper shortage of all things. It's just crazy. I did stock up, though, a little bit. I didn't stock up too much, so hopefully I'm good. So next up, we have the Plush Matte Lipstick. Oh, what color did I get? Plush Matte Lipstick is $18 value. Let me try and open this. I'll have to say, the one thing that keeps me going through all this is I really love makeup. I really do. It's like something that gives joy to my life. And every morning, I mean, I do YouTube, so I put makeup on for YouTube. But even like before I was doing YouTube, I like to put makeup on every day. It just makes me feel really good to get up in the morning and put, even if it's just lipstick and blush. Ooh, that's dark, but that's pretty. Look at that. This is like plum. I think I could wear this, though. A little bit on. It's blendable. Look at that. That looks really good, actually. Holy cow, I just put a tiny bit on and I blended it. That's pretty. Holy moly. Look at that. I like the packaging, too. But I do. I always feel like, if you're having kind of a day, put on some makeup, you feel better. That's my motto. I got the Matchstick. Oh, how much is the lipstick? Oh, $18 value. I got the Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. $25 value on this one. Which one did I get? Oh, wow. This is the Chili Mango. Holy moly, is that orange. Look at that. That's pretty, though. That I could use this because you know what? This is like a cool, like kind of blendable, blushy type. This makeup is really nice, I'll have to say. The blendable factor on this is amazing, you guys. I actually don't think I've seen makeup blend as well as this in a really long time. It just is like, I can't explain it, but it's like really creamy and it's soft and it's not like sticky or creasy. Is that a word, creasy? So I'm excited to try this out. And then we got the Gloss Bomb. Oh, yes, I got the Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. Check this out. Oh my gosh, is that pretty? I am a huge fan of gloss. Let me see, how much is this one? $19 value. Okay, you know I'm all about lip gloss, you guys. Let me try this. Oh, I think it smells good too. I smell like cookies. Okay, that's really pretty. Oh, I am all about this. This is nice, you guys. Okay, I've never tried Fenty before, but I think I am sold on this stuff. Holy moly. It's just pretty. I don't know what it is. It blends well. It just looks pretty. And the final thing we got, of course, is the big thing, is the palette. This is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, $29 value. This entire box was $140. I think it was really cool. Oh, wow, this is gorgeous. That we got a box of all products from the same beauty company. This is pretty. Oh, look at the cover. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Yeah, I don't care how old you are. I don't care if you're, 16. I don't care if you're, 76. Makeup makes you feel good. I swear, my mother, my 75-year-old mother, always loves putting makeup on, and it makes her feel good. So check that out. These colors are gorgeous. I think my favorite right here is this. Let me get the colors here. This one is, it's called Desert Baked. Look at that. These are so nice, you guys. The cream factor, it's like they're creamy and they're not like, I don't know, they're not cakey at all, I'm guessing, right? But I like this pink too. I've always liked pink eyeshadow. Looks like we have a Nuts and Dates. I think this is like a purple shade. It's like a dark purple. Look at that. That's like a plum. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love that shade. Then we got some golds in here. I always love having a white because I always like to use that as like a highlighter. But this palette is absolutely gorgeous. So this was a really nice box this month. This actually brightened my day like 1,000%. So let me know if you got premium. Let me know what you think about premium from BoxyCharm. I will put my referral link, let me pull that out, referral link below if you're interested in trying BoxyCharm. I think I get like 500 charms if anyone uses my link, and of course I just buy more makeup to show you guys on YouTube. So it all works out really well. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a really nice Friday evening. I know with the craziness in the world, it's a little hard to focus, but, watch some more videos about makeup. Bath and Body Works kind of relaxes you a little bit. So anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. I actually got my Superfruit collection from Victoria's Secret Pink, and I'm going to show you what I got because I'm super excited about one of the products. It's pineapple. And I did order from Ulta. I just got something else that's kind of like pineapple-y. I think it's pineapple. I got the pineapple one and a buttercream one and a thing that looks like a rabbit. Oh my gosh, I got stuff. So anyway, I'm just talking to myself. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.